Hi, and welcome to Raw and Uncut. My name is James, and today we're going to do what's happening in June on my channel and why you should subscribe. How do you subscribe? Quite simple. Press the subscribe button, press the notification button, press like, press share, leave a comment. What's happening in June? Well, as I mentioned in May, on the 29th, I'm going away to Phuket for 5 days. So we're going to be showing you some of the highlights of Phuket. The food, for example, delicious. The sights that you can see around Phuket. We will be staying in Patong, so some videos around there. The nightlife, the very exciting nightlife down there, Walking Street. I've forgotten what the actual name is. Another thing that we'll be doing in June on Raw and Uncut Management is some more reviews on the Netflix channel. Many thanks to some very strange but very good responses there, and possibly doing about three or more videos, 3 or more TV shows that we'll be doing. A brand new channel coming out will be the China channel. I'm going to start this in May, but there's going to be more coming in June. Now, I've been living in Asia for about 26 years. I'm retired now, and I've been dealing with the Chinese or the Chinese nation in whole ever since 1994. So the first edition, which will come out in May, but it's going to be more featured in June, does that make sense? Is going to be the trade war. Ooh, as that seems to be a hot topic. More things we're going to be doing is unboxing. I think I'm going to have 1 or maybe 2 unboxing videos and reviews of certain products and maybe how it can improve your life. These are not expensive items like the iWatch or an iPhone or whatever. These are just simple products that you can buy for possibly $20, $30, $40, $50. And finally, what's going to be happening in the June on Raw and Uncut Management is more about food, more about restaurants, mainly this time in Cambodia and also in Phuket as well. So every restaurant we will go to, we will film. So you can get an idea if you ever come to these certain places. And that's what's happening in June, and that's why you should subscribe to this channel. Be good to each other, have a great day, and I wish everyone peace and happiness in whatever you do. Bye for now. Raw and Uncut. This is the place to be. Bye.